Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is an intraday for NASDAQ here on the 4-hour chart, 1 hour and 15-minute chart, of course, to see what happened, what it might happen in the next few hours. So as you can see here, we are of course in a big A, B and a C potential towards the downside, of course, for an expanding flat here, ABC. And what we are looking right now at is a wave 1, of course, for this impulse towards the downside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Potentially that this wave 1 has finished and finished wave 2 and moving towards the downside. We're gonna, of course, dive deeper on the 1-hour chart to see what's going on. As we see, of course, we have opened the market with the red today. And of course, knowing that in the daily today, in the morning, I was still, of course, looking potentially for higher, a little bit for rebound, not bullish, but a little bit a rebound, just to break a little bit the intense of this move towards the downside. But basically, this will not happen. We have an ABC. This is why my worst fear was during the daily, that this could be, of course, an impulse and that continuation towards the downside, very simply, right? So there is this possibility that it might be here a wave 1, and then you're looking at a wave 2, even potentially very, very fast again. So yeah, I don't know, the market is not stable at all, guys, as you can see. Yeah? So it's not really stable. Why it is not stable, and I'm not just saying just because I'm looking at some reds here. It's not stable because the impulse is very, very sharp. It's very intense and very fast. And as you can see, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4 and a 5. Okay, we're done. And then you got this 3-wave corrective, which are supposing to be your wave 2. Very, very shallow wave 2, not reaching even the 0.38, which is the minimum requirement normally for a wave 2. And even not reaching the perfect time, at least for a wave 2, meaning the market is in a rush. It doesn't care right now if it hits the 0.32 all the time. And when the market doesn't care anymore, meaning it is selling insanely, yeah, so without thinking, so just they burn it. And this is where the fear, this is where we start to see the psychology of the fear in the market, 1, 2, and then formation of a big wave 1 and 2, and then continuation 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 toward the downside. Yeah, so this is this is what we might see, guys. Yeah, basically on what I'm looking at the psychology here, based on Elliott wave, of course, theory, which it shows exactly the psychology of the market just by, of course, analyzing those things here that I'm showing to you. Of course, meaning of course we're rushing toward the downside. Yeah. So basically, now we didn't took the low. I don't want to make even like a previous prediction before taking at least the low. Yeah. Once you take the low here, definitely we're moving for a wave 3 toward the downside. Why? Because in case that you still have the chance that this is a ABC 3 waves, after 3 waves up, 3 waves down, you would like to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave C, right? If your wave 2 takes the low, then it's done, guys. Yeah, so these are the insights for a NASDAQ. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and trade safe. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.